Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use QuillBot Plagiarism Checker. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar and type in QuillBot. Hit enter and you'll have to click on QuillBot.com's result. Now on this page, you'll have to make sure you're logged in with an account. And if you don't have an account, simply click on create an account, sign up on QuillBot and you'll be on QuillBot's dashboard. On the dashboard, click on this plagiarism checker button just right here to prevent plagiarism. Click on this and it is going to open up this QuillBot's plagiarism checker page. You'll have to upgrade to a pro plan on QuillBot in order to start checking plagiarism. Click on upgrade to start and it is going to open this page. Now as you can see, this is the premium plan. Using this plan, you can paraphrase unlimited text, paraphrase in unlimited modes, you can access advanced grammar suggestions, you can generate text with unlimited AI prompts, create custom summaries, and prevent accidental plagiarism. You also have a 3-day money-back guarantee. If you'll not be happy with the services, QuillBot will refund your payment. So choose any one of these plans according to your preference. The first one is annual, through which you can save 58%. The second one is quarterly, through which you can save 33%. Now the third one is monthly, that is 9.95 USD per month. This one is 6.65 USD per month and this one is 4.17 US dollars per month. Select any one of these plans by clicking on the select button, enter your card details, your credit or debit card, then click on checkout, complete the payment, or you can also click on PayPal and it is going to open up another PayPal page where you'll have to enter your credentials, complete the payment using PayPal and you would have successfully upgraded to a QuillBot's Pro plan. Now after upgrading, you'll have to come back and QuillBot will give you a section that will look something like this. Now in this area, you'll have to just click on paste text or write the text in which you want to check the plagiarism. For example, I will paste this text and you won't get the option to paraphrase but to check plagiarism. You'll have to just click on check plagiarism and QuillBot will generate the report for plagiarism that will look something like this. You'll be able to see the results, similar words and identical words, minor changes, paraphrased changes and omitted words. You can see the percentage of plagiarism that your text would have at the right of the screen. You can see the results from where the text has been copied and the submitted text just right here. So plagiarism checker is pretty useful. You can also have the infographics of the elements in that text. So that's how you use QuillBot's plagiarism checker. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.